I ordered a few things for our upcoming trip to Hawaii, and some of the stuff has started to arrive. Let's take it into my office to unbox everything I ordered and try it on. Let me figure out the best place to put you guys. Maybe right there. All right, this is my Abercrombie order for our hot holiday to Hawaii. I honestly can't remember even what's all in here, so it's gonna be a surprise for both of us. This fabric is more of like a linen poly blend than I was anticipating. Love a corset waistline. I hope that that stays trendy for a very long time because I just think that it is so flattering. The yellow one is the exact same dress as the orange one. I just didn't know what color I'd prefer. Probably not gonna keep both. I ordered both of them in a large tall, which is my regular size. Let me try both of these Abercrombie dresses on real quick and show you how they look. I'm very pleased with the length of this dress. Again, I ordered this in a size large tall. I am 5'9", and size large is my regular size. Straps are adjustable, which is nice. Definitely a thinner strap, so you'd have to wear a strapless bra underneath this dress, which is never my personal preference, but it's fine. I think it's cute. Okay, here's the visual of the yellow dress. Again, it's the exact same style and size as the orange one. I need your guys' help deciding which color I should keep because I don't need to take two of the exact same style of dress in different colors on this hot holiday. So let me know in the comments what dress you prefer. I think I'm leaning towards this yellow one actually. Yellow is just so fun and sunshiny, and since we're gonna be in Hawaii, I don't know, I just feel like this yellow one makes the most sense. Let me know what you think. Ooh, I forgot about this cutie little denim top. I thought that this would be so nice to wear with little skirts. This is also part of their bra-free collection, which is one of the main reasons I purchased it. It has an inner lining and really thin padded cups inside it. It also has a pretty risky tie back. I'm a little bit nervous about that aspect of this top. I'm not gonna lie. The straps are adjustable, which I love to see. This top could honestly go either way. Let's try it on. I just threw an older skirt that I had from Aerie on the bottom. I'll link a similar skirt in the description because I don't think that this one is available anymore. I think I like it, but I don't love it. It's gaping a little bit right here, which means it's slightly too big. I think that the top would be more flattering on my frame if the length was a little shorter, like here, maybe. Let me show you the back. It is so bare back there, which I'm pretty sure is the whole point and vibe of this top. I just don't know how comfortable I would personally feel wearing this as a mom to two young kids. Literally, I can visualize Leo just like thinking it would be fun. Pull on one of the bows in the back and then surprise! I don't know. I really love the idea though of this top, and I think if I had somebody to tie the back really tight for me, so I might ask my husband to do that. And I'll reassess if I'm going to keep this top or not at that time. And last but not least, from my Abercrombie order for our trip to Hawaii, another item from their bra-free collection, a nice basic white tank. Also, I thought that the pads would be sewn directly into the inner fabric. I don't know if you've seen or tried Uniqlo's bra tops, but those ones have a molded cup on the inside. I love them so much. I have about 6 or 7 of those. 6, 7. Is that still a thing? Probably not if I'm saying it. Anyways, time to try this Abercrombie tank from the bra-free collection. I don't think I mentioned when I was pulling it out of the bag, this fabric is actually a really nice, soft, thick cotton. However, I have some issues with this top. The first being, I think it's just a little too big on me. There's a lot of gaping right up here. My regular size large was not available in this top. Most concerning is, I don't know if you can tell, but this bra-free area is looking slightly deformed. Just not a lot of support and structure. The cups are way too thin in my opinion. Similar to the cups of like a cheap bathing suit. So this top is definitely going back. Again, go check out Uniqlo if you're looking for a bra-free top. Their version is 10 times better. It's another day and another package of goodies just arrived of items that I ordered for our upcoming hot holiday. These things are from Shein. I don't really know how to pronounce it. I always want to pronounce it Shein, but I'm pretty sure the proper way to say it is Shein. I don't know. Anyways, here's what I got. I'm pretty sure I ordered quite a few dresses. I love this print. I think that it is so cute and feminine, especially in the summertime. So I definitely justified ordering this one, thinking that I could wear it on both vacations and during the summer. The buttons on this are not functional, which is kind of weird. Here's what this dress looks like on. Okay, overall shape and style of this dress, 10 out of 10, no notes. It is so flattering. I kind of forgot that it was more of a corset style waistline, and that's where the buttons are supposed to go. Originally, when I saw it out of the package, I thought the buttons were up here. I just wish that the quality of the fabric on this dress was better. Also, it definitely doesn't scream Hawaii vibes to me, even though like it is a cute, flattering dress. I think I would more so wear this dress to like a country concert than I would on a Hawaiian vacation. So I don't know if I should keep this one. Let me know in the comments what you think. Next up is another dress. It kind of has like corset vibes in the midsection and is a slightly like different stitch pattern than the rest of the dress. I also was enticed by this dress because it has thicker straps, which means you can wear a regular bra with it. Always a plus. The material feels kind of cheapy on this one, which I mean it's from Shein, so that's to be expected. Let's see what it's made out of. 100% polyester. It is not lined, but I still have high hopes for this dress, so let's find out. Again, I love this waistline. It is so flattering. It'll be such an easy dress to just throw on and go while we're on vacation with a pair of flip-flops and a big floppy hat to go to the beach. My only complaint with this one is, again, the material is not super nice quality. It's a little bit staticky, and I just feel like it would flow even nicer if the material was better. But you get what you pay for, my friends. You get what you pay for. I had to get at least one set to try. This is a wide leg pant set, and the top is actually strapless, which I forgot about. So let's see how it looks. Okay, this pantsuit is great in theory, but in reality, I just don't know if it works for my body type. I think I must have ordered this in a size XL instead of large, which is part of the problem. This top is just too big. Like, it's gonna fall down any minute. The pants fit pretty good, however, and it is really nice and comfortable. I love sets for the fact that you can just mix and match the items, but I just don't think that I would wear this one too often, even if the top was in my regular size. If there's one thing I don't need any more of, it's swimsuits, but I ordered two. I have a few okay ones from Shein, but my current favorite place to order swimsuits from is actually La Vie en Rose. I'm gonna be doing a swim partnership while we're in Hawaii with them, so stay tuned for that content. Really liked the texture of this swimsuit. This suit has built-in cups and a wire bra style top. The white one is a one piece but has a rather large open back, so we'll see about these. Okay, this suit is going to be a no from me. I just have too many other suits that are much nicer quality, and this is definitely a little too loose / material of this suit is just not structured enough, so return. The other bathing suit I got to try was not even worth sharing a visual of, so I think this is another dress. Oh, no, it's not a dress. This is a skirt. If you didn't already know this about me, I love maxi skirts. They're just such a fun, easy way to incorporate more of like a feminine, bohemian vibe to your style. And I didn't have a maxi skirt in pink, so the material, again, feels pretty cheap. 95% polyester. It isn't lined. Again, we're not really going for high quality products. At least I'm not when I shop at Shein. I'm going for trendy, affordable items that I can get pretty quickly. Let's see how this maxi skirt looks. Immediately, yes, to this pink maxi skirt. If you do not own at least two maxi skirts similar to this vibe, and you like a feminine bohemian style vibe, you need to get some. Really am pleased with how long this one is. That's usually my only complaint with skirts like this, is they're not long enough on me because I'm 5'9". This will be such an easy, fun skirt to wear on our holiday and then again into the summertime. 10 out of 10, I recommend this skirt. Last but not least, item floral dress. This baby has a lot of layers. Where is the top? Tie halter situation, which I find really flattering and just a fun style to wear while on vacation. Can already tell this dress is going to be floor length, which I'm very pleased about. It has lots of tiered layers of this floral pattern. I'm really excited about this one. Let's see how it looks. Okay, this dress is so fun and feminine. I think that it's really nice and flattering, but it doesn't fit me perfectly. Like, this is quite loose, which means this whole top part is only being held up by this tiny little tie string in the back. And again, I just am not loving this material. It's clingy, it feels cheap. I don't think that it would be super breathable, and you want breathable in a place like Hawaii. So dang, even though I really like the print and the overall silhouette of this dress, I think I have to return it. Still such a cute dress though, if you're in the market for a summer spring dress. Overall, for the price, I think this is a good one. Almost forgot to show you, I also got a couple accessories from Shein for our trip. Look at these little starfish earrings. Also, these Hawaiian flowers. So cute. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow along on our Hawaiian adventures. Oh, I'm so excited.